Heads of the 10 major sectors and other subsectors within the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria and other stakeholders in the industry were at the ministry to advocate support on sourcing raw materials locally for production of goods in the country. They expressed their willingness to fully cooperate with the government on its drive to address the problem mitigating against manufacturers in the country.
It is now the responsibility of each and every one of us to support the government, to move forward, to source our raw materials locally. There are certain areas that we need the government to use the big power to say, look, enough of all this. One industry alone can sustain more than 2,000 small-scale industries in Nigeria.
The Minister of Science and Technology restated the ministry's commitment to playing its part in the economy by stimulating the necessary technological requirements for industrialization.
What we want to achieve now is to make sure that our manufacturers use locally available raw materials. Now, we want a situation where all these stakeholders will agree on which raw materials that we have in sufficient quantity in the country that we don't need to import. Because once we stop importing all these raw materials, we will reduce the pressure on our currency.
He charged all relevant stakeholders in the industry to immediately constitute a committee that will come up with data on every required need towards attaining maximum production and manufacturing in Nigeria. The committee, when constituted, is expected to submit its findings to government within 6 weeks for necessary actions. Justin Bemunyi, NTA News.